How to install VPN in laptop and Chrome on your PC. Here is how to do it. First, open a Google Chrome and go to a Chrome Web Store. Click on Chrome Web Store and in search bar type VPN. You will see many VPNs. Click on Browse VPN Free VPN and click on Add to Chrome. Once installed, the VPN icon will appear top to the right corner of your browser. Click on it, turn the VPN on. Click on it, click accept, start VPN, and this VPN has been started. And check my location. VPN connected station is Latvia. My location. That's it, Latvia.